I hope they go up and eat the cactus.
Two birds gone wild. Woo! Two birds gone wild. Gone wild.
We still have neighbors.
Two birds are eating stuff. What are they eating? Is it fish or bread? Hey, what about let's see if they eat Madison? Throw Madison.
Yeah, I hate you.
He's like, let me in. Come on, birdies, come on in. You'll be my pet. I take care of you. Come on.
Yeah, come on in.
Come on in.
Bigger than you.
I know. It's probably the smallest one out here. Yeah, you're the smallest one, but then listen. The white plant. Come eat the white.
Look, let's hope they all bite that stupid girl. Woo!
Yeah, she's gonna get out.
She's gonna get
Gone
out.
wild.